Types of solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more chemically non-reacting substances. So, we could define a solution as a liquid mixture with minor component uniformly distributed within the major component. So, here the minor component we could take it as salt, sugar, lemon juice, etc. And the major component could be water. So, when we get a mixture of the minor component and major component that is uniformly distributed, then we say that it is a solution. And the component of a solution which is present in huge quantity, we call that as a solvent, and that will actually determine the physical state of the solution. And the component of the solution which is present in lesser amount, we call that as a solute. So, based on the component of the solution that is being present, that can be either solvent or the solute, we decide different types of solutions are available. So basically, solutions can be categorized broadly into two types, that is homogeneous solutions and heterogeneous solution. So homogeneous solution where we are going to have uniform composition and the properties throughout the solution will remain the same. Then we say that it is a homogeneous solution. And if we say heterogeneous solution, it will have a non-uniform composition and properties throughout the solution. So we call that as a heterogeneous solution. In the category of homogeneous and heterogeneous, all the three states of matter are being involved. That is, gas, liquid or solid may behave either as a solvent or a solute in order to make a solution. And based on the amount of solute added, there are different types of solution, that is unsaturated solution, saturated solution and supersaturated solution. If we say unsaturated solution is the one that can dissolve more solute at a definite temperature. That is, we can still add more solute to the solvent. Then we say that it is an unsaturated solution. But when we talk about the saturated solution, it is said to be saturated when we can't add any more solute to the solvent. That means the solution can't dissolve any more solute at a definite temperature. And when we say supersaturated solution, a supersaturated solution is one where the solute is present in an excess amount. That is, solute is dissolved forcefully by raising the temperature or pressure of the solution. Then we use the term as supersaturated solution. And on the basis of solvent added, we classify solution in two categories, that is concentrated solution and dilute solution. So a concentrated solution has large amount of solute in the given solvent. For example, we could say brine solution, orange juice, dark colored tea. And if we say about dilute solution, it has a small amount of solute in a large amount of solvent, like salt solution or the light color of the tea. So based on the amount of solvent added, we classify the solution as concentrated solution and dilute solution. So basically, on the basis of the solid, liquid and gases, we have different combinations where we have different categorization of the solution. If we say solid solution, here the solute is solid and the solvent is solid. When we say liquid and solid, it is known as amalgam. When we say solid and solid, it is known as alloys. For liquid solution, we say that the solvent should be liquid and the solute can vary. That can be solid, liquid or gas. So in that situation, solid and liquid combination, that is we say sodium chloride dissolved in water, liquid and liquid, we could say ethyl alcohol dissolved in water, gas and liquid, carbon dioxide dissolved in water. In the similar way, gaseous solution means the solvent should be a gas. So liquid and gas combination can be there, gas and gas combination can be there. So we have different categorization of solution based on the solute and solvent combinations.